description.
It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from India. This is Nissin Cup Noodles Tangy Tomato. And it is Saucy Tomato Flavor from India. So, how are you doing today? I'm a hurting unit, man. I've like had that whole winter break for the kids, and now I am back from that. And went out walking a couple times, went out walking earlier too. And I'm just like, oh man, back is killing me. Brain is killing me. Okay, so where's that line? It's right there. So let's fill you to the line. Right about there. Huh. Oh, I need 3 minutes. Wow. Yeah, it's like my lower back is just shot right now. But other than that, things are going great, I gotta say. I should say, and I am saying, this is the 8th day of January 2025. And big news right now are the wildfires down in LA County, or LA, Los Angeles, Pacific Palisades. If you haven't gotten out yet, it's too late. And then my buddy Stumpy in North Little Rock, Arkansas is making his exodus to his aunt's house because they're about to have the record snowfall. Here though, in the just north of Seattle, just a couple hours south of Vancouver, BC area, it's just kind of cloudy and really, really, really mild. The lowest I've seen yet is like going out walking, maybe like 44 degrees. It's not bad. I mean, I'm ready for snow. I'm ready for getting down into the 30s. But yeah. Today I went out and got some. I'm on a hunt for cheap toothpicks, right? Well, Amazon wants way too much for toothpicks. It's stupid. It's like, we have Prime, but I don't see how you can actually charge like $5 for toothpicks. So no. Amazon Haul has them, but then you got to pay shipping unless you spend $25. And I'm like, no. So I made my once in a while trip to what do you call it? We have a Dollar Tree store where everything is $1.25. And then we have a grocery outlet store where everything is whatever they charge for it. And some of the things there are a good deal. A lot of them are like, this isn't like a super bargain or anything like that. They had like Melinda's hot sauce there that was not like super cheap. But it's usually stuff that's kind of a little past, or it's gonna... They had bags of candy there for Dia del Muertes. I didn't know they did such a thing, but apparently there's Dia del Muerte candy. But it was like Skittles. It was like weird. But I did find noodles when I went there, and I found 3 varieties that I'm going to be doing on the 3 shows that I record tomorrow. I figure I'll just get them out of the way. So this is Tangy Tomato from India. I have a feeling I know what to expect out of this. The noodle's gonna be like your standard cup noodle, maybe a little thicker, more crumbly. The broth will probably have a little bit of bitterness on the aftertaste that I really am not a big fan of. But I found this when my daughter had her birthday party at Chuck E. Cheese in mid-December, which Mimi enjoyed thoroughly. All the little girly friends were there, and they were all, ooh, and she had a little sash that said birthday girl, and she had a little crown, and they ran around and they did their girly crap, which is cool. Well, I'm not getting that bitter funk, of which I'm happy about. But where's the tomatoes? I saw little pieces of tomato. I'm not gonna dig forever to find you tomato bits. Oh, is that? There's one, I think. Come on. So one thing you have to watch out for, and it's honestly a theme of Indian grocery stores. Oh, come on. There, I think that's a piece of tomato. Oh, they will have stuff that's way expired. A hint of spicy. I don't know what kind of vegetable that was, but it was rather crisp. Okay, come on. What's going on with you? Rotate. Okay. Oh, and the sun's coming out, you freaking jerk. It'll come out for like a short period of time. You know, if you follow the show, you've heard me complain about this more than once. But it makes it hard to take the pretty pictures over there. And that's where I take the pretty pictures, is over there. This isn't bad. It's not like sensational. It's like I haven't found really a lot of tomato varieties that float my boat per se. Yeah. I'm gonna just throw the scallion on it and call it good. Oh man, it's like my legs and my hips and my lower back. I just took some Tylenol and ibuprofen, so we'll see if that helps. Yay. Anyway, that was fun. The next one I'm doing, this is a Sapporo Ichiban variety that came out of Nakama Noodle Box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Tenka Ipin Kyoto chicken broth mini cup ramen. So it's basically like a cup noodle size thing. It's just short, a little bit wider. So that'll be the next episode of Vince Noodle Recipe Times. But now it's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.